Good morning, guys. Breakfast time. I just wake up. 다 쉬어졌지. 지금 양지 내가 지금 도요. Chai time. You see, this is hot oil. I made it by myself. And then this hot oil. 그래서 안 되면 numrak sipin re. This numrak sipin ngarang so yore. Permission bore tadi. 항상 심보래 tadi. This sipin 테마지 쳐로 아니 ke나 봐. 아나 걱정하네. 니만 딱 봤다 데 생이 조래. Yeah, but I don't eat much. Yeah, I used to eat a lot, but now I try to eat less. Siapa dele nampak kungam sa. Datang dengan Manhattan Midtown ada view. Yeah, I just got to the walk to the Midtown Manhattan. Yeah, this is the Herald Square, 34th Street. Mama, dating namsi peki bodo. Namsi pemisi ki boleh siap kering. 다시 direct 공감상. 단디에 왜냐면 메시 차디오래. So this is the world's biggest store. It's called Massy. Yeah. On 34th Street. Very nice. Avenue. Yeah, right now I'm in the Manhattan, Soho, downtown Soho. Beautiful. 다 된다. 먼저 치루라 랩디에. 아니 소호래. Grand Street, so this is the way to the Bloomsburg Bridge. Yeah, this is the area that called Soho, Broome Street. Yeah. Wow, today is a little bit traffic, man. Usually it's not like that. Fire department. Fire department. Corona proof then in. Wow, wonderful. I love it. This is the Corona proof. So this is the CD bike. Nasi. That and the Union Square left, so we just got to the Union Square. Yep. That's the coffee. Don't we? Didn't la battery is also. The coffee sao itu mah coffee sao.
고비 차오 똥지아니 야야 공바야
아 고비 심슈다 너무 쇼면 돼 아니라
고비 대 빼야 고비
고비 되면 다 겨야리도
하하하